How to deposit money on Wise in 2023. Wise is a global money transfer service that allows you to send and receive money in over 50 currencies. With low fees and competitive exchange rates, it is a great option for people who need to send or receive money internationally, whether you're a freelancer, a business owner, or just someone who loves to travel. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to deposit money on Wise. It is a quick and easy process, and if you can do it anywhere in the world. So whether you need to deposit money from your bank account, credit card, or debit card, I've got you covered. So let's get started. There are a couple of different ways you can add money to your Wise balances. Add money through Wise. One way to add money to your balance is through your Wise account. First, you need to log into your Wise account and then go to the balance you'd like to add money to. In my case, I'd like to add balance to my Australian account, and then you're going to click add. Then you need to choose how much you want to add and the currency you'd like to pay with. For example, we're going to add 500 Australian dollars and choose the currency you want to pay in. For example, Canadian dollar. And then here's the breakdown, and then hit continue. The next step would be the verification. You need to select an option where the money for this transfer comes from or the source of funds. You can select in here either funds from a property sale, on your salary, investments, inheritance, loan, or others. In this case, I will be choosing salary. You can state here if you choose other and then hit continue. And on the last step, you will be asked on how would you like to pay. It is either direct debit, debit card, credit card, Interac, e-transfer, request money, domestic wire transfer, or online bill pay. Select how you'd like to pay and then click continue to payment. Depending on how you'd like to pay, you will be guided through the payment steps. The money has to come from a bank account that matches the name on your Wise account. So, if you have a Wise account for your business, the bank account you add money from has to be under the business name. And hit continue. The second step would be add money from your bank account. You can also add money to your balance via direct deposit or bank transfer. You can only do this if your currency account has the account details. This way, you don't need to set up a top-up in your Wise account first. Just log into your online banking, set up a normal transfer, and add the details that you can find to your Wise account. To reveal the account details of your balance, click on the balance you'd like to send to. You'll also have to make sure you send the same currency as your balance in. So, if you're adding to your GBP account this way, you'll need to send money in GBP. And that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos on personal finance and international money transfer. Thank you and see you next time.